Hello everyone, it's Rita here, and today I am doing the flip through on the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. Oh, forgot to clean my hands. I forgot to put lotion on. Oh my gosh, where is that lotion thing? I have to look at my hands the whole time. So before I get started on this, I wanted to mention how to enter the drawing. It's not very difficult. All you have to do is on this video itself, you need to type in the number 3,000. So whatever you want to say in the video, you can say, or just put 3,000, because I'm going to try to use that thing on YouTube where they pick the winner from the comments. Okay, so that's pretty much that. And I just wanted to say also, I just ran this, but this is my hand lotion thingy. So I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you to everyone for being with me for this whole journey of my YouTube channel. And I just want you to know that I plan to keep carrying on with it, and I hope that you all enjoy it. And I don't know, I just don't know what to say, because I'm just thrilled to get to 3,000, but I'm at like 3,100 already. I don't know what happened overnight. So it must be that YouTube is finally recognizing my channel, and that helps other people find me. So thanks to you guys for doing that, because you've stuck with me and got my channel more publicity. So anyway, I guess I'll just start here. First of all, this whole kit in here was a kit by Cherished Chronicles. I'll try to put her link in this description of this one. I kept forgetting to do it. But if you don't see it, just let me know, and I will send you the link over. And it's a boho. It's called, what is it called? I don't know. I called it boho prints. So, but it doesn't look very boho to me. If it is, it's very it's a dark on the dark side. So the other thing too is, I will do the drawing on Tuesday. I want to give you guys enough time. I'm going to do the drawing on Tuesday the 23rd. So be sure to, comment before then. That way it gives people the weekend to comment and a couple work days. I know some people probably don't even watch until they're in lunch on Monday or Tuesday or whatever the case may be. All right, so to start, I made this little button for the closure, and then inside here I just put this journal card, which I'm still having a hard time keeping that sticker glued down. So I'm going to have to give this little part some more. This just flips over like that, opens up. And then this is plain, so if you wanted, you could, add decoration to that. I put a little book plate down here that says journal, and I have lace on the edge and on the back covering the stitching, which, I just kind of like that look anyway. So, and then inside we start on the first page, or the cover page, is this journal card here. And just a pocket that I had on hand. And then this is where I folded, because I made this out of a file folder, a legal size file folder, and I have a video on that, so you just have to type in file folder and you'll find it. Or maybe I put it under folios as well, although I didn't use it like a folio. I just used it as a regular journal. But it's very sturdy because of that. So I folded this, which made a pocket in here. It's hard to get out because I've got that clipped. Because this part here lifts up. You can journal a secret note in there if you'd like. And then this journal card here opens up, and it's got papers on both sides. And this was made, I think it was a Roxy Creation weekly challenge. So many of mine are. I just love doing that because I get these things built up, and they just go with everything. Here's a pocket here, and then inside here is a journaling spot. And we have a tag here. And in this tag, I put a pocket on the outside, and then there's a journal card inside that, and a little charmy thing here, and journaling on the back. And, sorry, Silk. So, there's that. Oh, and look, this is, yeah, you can't trust a book page. I will have to put a washi down the side. Darn. Okay, so we have some ledger paper here. Whoop, and it's sticky. And this is a corner pocket that I put in. I think we made this on camera. And then I just put a journal card in there that I had from my door digitals. And we have journaling page here, and this is just the flap of the pocket, which you could write on that. Or if you wanted to, glue it down and tuck a pocket in it. More journaling pages here. Here is a flip out pocket, and this one has a note, a page that's blank on the inside. All it is just folded up and decorated here so it looks cute, but it's really just that simple. Okay. And then more journaling space, coffee dyed paper. This is part of the digital kit. I left it plain because I couldn't put something on every page. So, but you can go and add more to it. Here is just a postcard, a vintage postcard, Lake Mead. I think that's in. It might be, I don't know if it's in California or it's in Nevada or Arizona. I don't know. Anyway, then I've got this little paper clip holding this section here, and this is the one like Lisa made for me, and I thought it was just so darn cute. So there's a video on that. Then this opens up, and you've got all this journal space here, or you can add more pockets or whatever you would like. And then back here we have this old vintage photo that's, well, it's a copy of a vintage photo. It's a cabinet card that I have. And that also, no, you can't get that yet. I haven't put it online. I mean, I'm going to put it on Facebook, but I haven't done it yet. Because I had an issue with the copier machine. Where did this go? I don't know where that went, but I think it went up here. Okay, and there's some more journaling spots. And then this one we made on video. It's a envelope that I changed into a postcard, which here's the pocket for that. And I just put one of these guest checks in there. And it was fun to make. You can see it better, you know, this way. But it was all stamped and everything. And then here's a journal card in here. This is my uncle, Earl. His name is Joseph, but he didn't know that until he went into the military. And that's a picture of him in Panama. So, when he was stationed over there. And then this one is just a little page that I added on to here. And then in here, and then that has a journaling spot here. And in here I put a journaling card. And I had to do some makeshift to get that working right. But I think it's fine. And then here is the other journal card that we did that has the weaving on it and a vellum pocket. Okay, and space. Oh, there's so many pages. This is, I was going to share this with you guys. I don't know if I should do that right now, but it's kind of like a tip, I guess. So what I bought was this highlighter tape. And I thought that, let me just do a quick little preview. So I thought that the yellow would look like cellophane. I mean, you know, an old cello tape, but it's a little too yellow still. So I just took my alcohol ink marker, and this color is yellow ochre, and this is Firefly number 101, and I just took this and went over it like that. And that made, now I can't pull it up. So what I did was on this one, and I can't pull the lettering off the back because it's not a permanent tape. It's more like a, what do you call it, tape? Repositionable tape. Couldn't think of it. But anyway, it kind of looks like the old Scotch tape. And then if you don't want to put, you know, something under it, you don't have to. You could just make a piece of Scotch tape on here, which I did that too. Just lay it on your parchment. Whoops. And then just go over it like so. Just leave it set to dry. And then you've got some vintage looking tape. And that's what I did on this right here. Okay. So, that up there so it can dry. Anyway, that was one of my tips I was going to do. But then I saw that I tried it on here. And this is just a fold over pocket that I did on one of Rachel's Weekly, I believe. And it has a pocket here and a tag here. And then on this side, I didn't put anything on this side, but you could glue this down and slide up a journal card up inside of here if you want. I didn't because I thought the whole inside is good for journaling. So this, I just took some circles and punched holes in them and stuck them on this side of the page. Just for something extra. Another spot for journaling, a tag, and then I put this little invoice paper that's from My Porch Friends. No, why do I do that all the time? Pink Monarch prints. The P's and the prints get me every time. There's some of that tape there too, and I just ripped it in half so that it would look more raggedy. And here's a vintage book page, another vintage book page. And then here's the center page of the second signature. It has two signatures. And then I just put this journal card here. I just tore this paper around those feathers. And then over here, I put a little dangle on here. I put 3 for 3,000 because I couldn't put 3,000 on. And then there's a couple of just journaling cards here under this belly band. Okay. And then the backs of those book pages. I think there's like 80 sides to this. I think I put like 20 pages in it, on this journal. 20 to 23. I didn't count them. It's a giveaway, so it doesn't matter. Here's another little journal card. And this is also from Pink Monarch Prints. It's called Invoices. And there's some great invoices in that kit. I just stuck this here, but it's a Tim Holtz card. And I don't know, I just put it there. Here's another of the little notebook type journaling spot. And then there's also that little journaling spot inside there. And journaling here. And then back here, I have this flip up. And then, oh, I forgot to put something in there. I'll have to find something. Darn. It was on the last page. I didn't realize that. But I have a journal card here in it. So I'll have to find something to put in that. Yeah. And I didn't even decorate here either, but we'll see. This is my grandparents here. And then that's the last page. So I hope you guys will like this journal, and you will leave a comment to win. I don't have any other rules about subscribing or anything. It's just important that you know, that you like it and comment on it, and that's all you have to do to win it. And then I wanted to share with you Kathy, who's one of my subscribers. She's been with me since day one. She's taking care of most of my Facebook, which I just can't keep up with it. It's over, you know, 8,900 something members, and there's just too many to comment. So, but she does help me let people when they get on Facebook, which is hey, what's the matter? Some cat wants to go out. Junk Journal in a Day is the Facebook page, and it's in my description if you want to go there. But what I wanted to share with you is Kathy did like 5 digitals on there. It's in file when you go, stop. It's in file when you go to Facebook, and she has all these family pictures or old pictures. I'm thinking that they might be family, but I just printed out one so you could see what she has. But they're awesome. I mean, you know, it's hard to come by these old photographs. So I think you'll enjoy going over there and looking at them and download them. It takes a lot of work to make these files and scan them and all that, and then download them to Facebook. So just to show your appreciation, it would be great if you go over there and pick up. And they're free. They're free. Totally free. And there's other digitals on there too that I've downloaded, but again, they're all free. So, all right, guys. Well, I will see you in the next video, but we'll wait till Tuesday for the drawing so everybody has a chance. And I've got to let the cat out. He doesn't come in very much, but he's decided to go. All right. Have a great day. And thanks so much for everything you guys have done. Thank you.